Mitchell Island in the Arrow transfer yards, being ready for its move to Steveston to the BC Packer siding for the Steveston Interurban Restoration Society. The car is shrouded in a waterproof covering to protect it from the elements. And we currently have John Lobin and Dave Underwood disconnecting the motor leads and the brake rigging preparatory to the trucks being removed for transporting of the car. A tough, dirty job. One of the 960 series electric locomotives, also being readied for shipment to Squamish to the West Coast Railway Association Museum, with 1220 behind. Well, here are mechanics resting after disengaging the motor leads and the brake rigging.
She really done a job on it over there.
Yeah.
But it's the reconditioning the traction motors that costs so bloody much. The contactor box will be touching the deck before the...
The preceding pictures were taken at the Arrow transfer yards on Mitchell Island, showing the loading procedure for the car. We're now in Steveston the following day, and on this truck in front of us we have the trucks and some spare parts, motors and couplers. And now as we look north on number 1 road, we see the interurban car on its way, coming into Steveston after an absence of over 35 years. Last car left Steveston in February 1958, and here it is March 22nd, 1993, and an interurban car, number 1220, is returning to Steveston. The car will be placed on a spur track in the BC Packers yard, now being maneuvered off number 1 road onto the lot adjacent to the rail line. Unloading one of the trucks. Steel wheel meeting steel rail. 35 years. kingpin into the truck, precise operation. Lowering the other kingpin into the truck. The car is now in its truck, ready to be pushed into the BC package. The interior of the car.
There's just one old ad left for Z tissue up on the right there.
Much work to be done. The car now being pushed into the BC Packer siding. Final stage of this move today.
That's a quiet mode of transportation.
Final move into the BC Packer spur. So the car is finally in place. Ready for the next stage of the program. Yep, right.
March 23rd, 1993, at about 9 minutes after 2.
All right, you're on the air, Vic.
Great job, well done by Arrow.
Okay.
Why are you